Jingbthei ke bajur ke belajar hajan ke Redford ha Delhi ha ke sengi ningkong ke bela penyap ya khat arngut ki briu bat palat arphongut ki la mensau ke la penkut no ya ke jingshong shngan ke bela ne la khat sau snem ha ke Nongbah jongkari. U Menteri Ketenat Kampok Yeng Kari u Amit Shah u la pentikna ya ke jingja bat ke jing tokit penya ya ke jingja da ke National Security Guard ke National Investigation Agency bat ke Forensic Science Laboratory ke la ya chakmat. Ya kini ke Jingbthei ke belajar ha ke kali I-20 Hyundai ha Subhash Marg ha ke jaka badan traffic signal la subah ya ke jingdan keti jong uwe u doktor u belatip kerteng kum u Omar Nabi u badai u nong shong jong ke Pulwama bat la keno ba udan ke jingedei bat ke seng le no Jaish-e Muhammad. Kini ke jingja besngosi ke lapen khib yang ya ke jingshong sir da ke Pynkynmaw ya ki jingja beladab ha ke Nongbah Delhi da ki jingsha thombor bashar khe ha ki le no ke bakenthop ya ke jingja ha Lajpat Nagar ha usnam khat khandai phunriu ke belapen yap ya khat lai ngut ki briu bat mensau lai pu khandai ngut la suba bakadei na ke wika kali belapen yeng ha ke te ke jaka. Ha ke senam Hajar ke Jingbthei ha Sadar Bazar langit bala penlong da ke tiar penbthei bala bure ke bala pensa dak thlio pelun ya ke khendo.
That crater indicates that something must have been kept there. Something must have been hidden, explosive kind of thing. And that could be a timer kind of thing which got blasted as per the time allotted to it.
Ha ke senam Hajar iwe ke jing thombor ya ke ying dorbar parliament kedai ke bala keno dan keti da ke ISI bat ki kenhun le no. Kajing thombor ya ke Paharganj ha usnam Hajar san kelalong khendiat sengi shwaban sedang ke Diwali ke belapenlong ya ke Sonia Gandhi bat ke Sheila Dikshit ban khot ya ke Jingbthei na ke benta ban yele persha ya ke jing thombor ki le no.
That we all have to face and fight together. This is not only a phenomenon which is here in our country. As you all know, it is something which the whole world has to face. So I feel it's important that all together, all of us together, fight it with all our might.
Kajing thombor ya Connaught Palace ha usnam Hajar pra kala penyap ya palat arphongut ki briu ka bala shimru bakadei ka jing pershang ban shim ya ka mensim jong ka Delhi. Kajing Jingbthei ka bakhat du ha Delhi High Court ka bala ja ha usnam Hajar khatwei ka bala pen mensau ya bungut ki briu kala penlong ya Menteri Rangba du kari u Dr. Manmohan Singh ban kentu ya ki bor sentiat ban khampen bha ya ka Jingbthei.
There are reports of cross-border camps for terrorists being reactivated and of the attempts to induct fresh batches of militants into the country. We need to ensure that such attempts are foiled through smooth and coordinated functioning of all security agencies working in the state. Connectivity has been established between subsidiary multi-agency centers and the state special branches. I hope that NatGrid would enable seamless retrieval and dissemination of data critical to the task of anticipating and preempting terrorist attacks.